everybody, let's cut it out. Let's cut out these magazines. You know, I like to sometimes get the Great Value 3 magazines in one. The Women's Day and all that. Hopefully there'll be some images that'll inspire me, because the last time I bought, I didn't even I looked through all 3 magazines and there was nothing. I think it was just one image that I liked. So let's see what's in this one. Better not be any old magazines in here. Oh, I don't have my trash bin. So we have this one. And this is April to May 2025. So that's a good one. And then the Country Living. Okay, good. So these are all clean, easy ways to clean anything. I don't think we're going to get to this one right away. Well, let's see what we have. These seem like they're going to be good. Let's start with this one. All right. So hopefully there's a lot of good images. And because welcome to Uncrowded. That does look nice. Even though off to the side it has to be a body of water. If I'm going, no. Oh, this one looks fun. Oh, wow. But what do I always say? Don't fret with your glue book at, because you usually, you know, if you tear your paper, you're holding glue. So this is fun. So I'm not going to cut it out right now. We love our eggs any style as long as they're the best. I like that sentiment, because remember when I was in my little mini glue book, I gotta get that. I could put that in there. I'm not gonna put the whole sentiment in there, but I'm just gonna put we love our eggs, because remember it was about the prices of eggs blowing up, and I said, gosh, I said I'm gonna come back to that one. So I'm put that right there. And I don't think there's anything over here I want. Oh, is it scoot to the side? See, I was running my mouth about Samantha Brown, and the thing wasn't recording. This is getting on my nerves now that it's doing this. But anyway, I was talking about how I used to watch how Samantha Brown traveled the world. And I think the ones I like the best is when she went the great hotels. And it says happy place. Wonder what she's up to now. I used to like that, and I used to tape them, but that was way back in the day, you know. Even though I don't use my VCR anymore. Okay. I can't believe the thing had just cut off. Work with cover. Happy home now. I want that. I love color. So work with color. I can't believe that. I don't even know when it stopped. I mean, I got the phone call, then I cut it back on. That's annoying. Oh, and you see that down here? I'm going to cut that out for when we do the magazine only. Because we're still going to go back and use this. And use a lot of this in my magazine only book. Oh, of course, all this Boss Lady and things like that. Think pink. You know, when I was growing up, I did not like the color pink. You could forget it. Don't put no pink near me. I wouldn't wear pink. None of that. Now that I'm older, I do like it. Why am I cutting out think pink? I wanted this. I remember my first apartment, my father, you know, he has very good taste. He went out with me trying to find, no, this is when I go for furniture. And he was getting all this lacy stuff. I said, what you going to do with that? He said, put it in your room. I said, not my room. Now I probably wouldn't mind because I like really a masculine palette and with feminine touches now. You know, really feminine. I mean, really feminine touches, but it has to be a masculine and a neutral, like earth tones kind of palette. That's what I like. Except for spring. I like this. I like a lot what's on this page, so I'm going to put that right here. I even like this bouquet right here. See, something like this is too foo-foo, you know, too cutesy for me. Believe it or not, because I know you're like, okay, but you like a lot of cutesy. Yeah, now that I'm older. Yeah, but back in it, oh no, Oh, this is fun. Oh, this is fun. I like this. Oh, we're getting into the craft ideas and things. Oh, am I going? I like the colors right there. Now I'm scared. Am I in frame? Am I on? Oh, can you believe that? It just cut off. Let me find out. Are they using Corollas on there? They probably are, because that looks like Pips. Oh, look at him. See, I like cutesy little stuff, because, you know, times, life is hard. Anything that'll naturally, you know, make me laugh, and then I'll hold that for later. Yeah, my harvest has changed since I beginning. My way that I harvest has changed since from the beginning, where I used to just look through it twice and then recycle it. Because, look, these magazines cost, and I don't have as many as I used to have. So, that's why I like to just keep using the magazine until I can't anymore. But I'm not going to hold on to it. I'll cut that out a little better later. I'm not going to hold on to it out of balance, you know, because, oh, I'm scared I'm going to find something. No, I'm going to keep using that magazine until I can't. And then I'm going to let it go. I'm going to recycle it because I don't, you know, we collect enough junk as gluebookers and junk journalers and such. And I don't want to collect it too long, but it surely has changed, because usually I would just look through and see if I'm inspired, because, you know, you're not inspired by everything. But I'm going to use this. We're going to use these images. What is this? Pavlova wreath. That looks tasty, but is that cream? If that's cream, it is too pretty, almost too pretty to eat. Oh. I'm more of a perfect day again. That's not me. I don't have perfect days. I pray for perfect days. I wish one day I could have a perfect day. Out. Spring clean your routine. Go for that later. Let's keep that. I'm gonna get that. Get that. Brighten your day. You know, these, they were selling them at they sell them at Joann's, and I was hoping that they would put them on sale. They just only have 10%. I went to Joann's, and that's all it would seem like they were having. I said, you're closing, and all you have is a 10% sale? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't. So, that was, it wasn't a lot, but it wasn't bad. That wasn't like that other magazine time. I did all 3 magazines. See, even that's cute. I'll probably come back and get that. It was, we just got a lot of, so let's see what the country living is about. Or, let's see what this is about. Ooh. I never had oyster mushrooms. I probably at a restaurant, but I don't think I've ever made them. I want them to get that. Discover South Carolina. Oh, it's pretty with her eyes. With the kaleidoscopic color, the rainbow colors. That's pretty. I like the backdrop too. Pretty pastels. Cut that out. That's too much thought for me. It looks like the hole is in there too. So how did they do that? String the hole? No, that's too. Oh, you could probably buy these things. Come on. I like the green around here. I like the wreath. And, ooh, these are some pretty eggs. I'm going to cut that out. And then the green for the background. So you can see how I'm going to put that in my glue book. I'm going to come back for that. I don't know why I'm not going to get it now. Why Rage Clean? I need to read this. Oh, oh, these cats. You know, I did I show it? Y'all, I have so many things filmed but not showed about these cats. Oh, it was in my I forgot how they him and his attitude, how they run things. And speaking of running, I like this for the show. The 2 first running. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Now I'm gonna come back through here again. Let's go to smoked trout salad. Make it that good start. Great mornings. Good sentiment. I haven't had Quaker oatmeal since they had a huge recall last year. I haven't trusted them since then. He's like, what? Why you got me posed here? Why? Can you hurry up? That's how he looked like. Can you just snap the picture? All right, I'm sitting still. I'm sitting still. All right. Not much was in there, but it wasn't bad. Let's hurry on through this one. Ooh, I like the picture of the duck. So I was able to really do a harvest this time. Yeah, because, oh, it was sometime in January. And I finally got my hands on some magazines and nothing was in it. Nothing spoke to me. Nothing. If y'all want to see that one, I probably still have it. I don't think I taped over it. Oh, look at all that nice land. think I'm just going to go ahead and end it from there. So I would like to thank you so very much for watching. As I do a traditional harvest magazine, and I'll be using these images and still in my magazine only glue book session. I know I'll still be harvesting and gluing at the same time. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you made it this far and you would like to let me know that you've been here, you can leave a scissor emoji, because we harvested, we cut it out, we cut out our magazine images. So, and I will talk to you then the next time. Well, let's